Sagittarius, how are you doing? This is your July love readings. So, welcome to Indian 11 Tarot. I'll pick up 5 cards and then at the end I'll pick up one card from the bottom of the deck. So, this is 1, 4, and 5. So, let's see. Ace of Pentacles. Now, new love for some of you. Some new person or a new love situation coming to you, Sagittarius. Just let me adjust this camera a little. Thank you. So new love. So it just showing this love is beautiful, nice. It's going to grow. It's going to manifest in a beautiful way. So singles out there, new love for you, for most of you, with the Ace of Pentacles card. Now, Two of Rods. Okay, in this situation, maybe you're desiring a person, and you want to know about the person. You're just waiting. This is a card of waiting and trying to figure out things. So you are trying to maybe keeping a tab on them by looking at the social media profile, or you're just gathering some information from some person regarding them. Like it shows that where do they go, what do they do, kind of a stuff which happens. So basically no action, just waiting from a distance and watching how things are going on with the other person, what is going on with the other person whom you desire into your life. Also it could be the other story. It could be that you have found out some information regarding your person not being true to you, or not being faithful. So in that case also, for taking an action, you first want to gather all the information, the correct information, and then you take the course of action from there, whether to be in this relationship or not, to move forward with this relationship or not. So these are the two. Then we have the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups energy is, I feel, for some of you, there is somebody who is coming, with a lot of love, with a very beautiful energy, very emotionally balanced person coming to your life, Sagis. So this is like she's very emotionally fulfilling, beautiful, and so with this energy, Queen of Cup energy is going to come into your life in this situation, in this new situation, new love situation. Also now we have Page of Swords. So Page of Swords is like somebody, it's again a very raw new energy page. So maybe a message or a message is coming to you. Swords usually is a message coming to you regarding something new, maybe a new love situation for some of you, or maybe it could also be retrograde time. You could get a message from your ex. Usually in this time, ex lovers, ex partners resurface. So this could be a message from an ex or from someone new. I mean, it could be. It's about receiving a message, which is like a very initial message regarding your love situation for some of you. Also, it could be for singles. I mean, who are trying to finding out a partner for themselves. So you were wanting and you received this message from someone. Then you have the Magician. So here it's like some of you are trying to manifest a person into your life, and you want this to happen quickly. You want to manifest them, just like a magician does, because you want them so desperately. So also it could be that it's not only about a person. You could also trying to manifest about a love situation. You must be thinking of taking your love to the next level, manifesting more love, more, it's trying to manifest love and love situation with this magician card. And maybe it also shows that you are in that energy. Maybe you are, you wanted that person and that person has come to your life, like something worked, or maybe the universe stepped in and the person says you are yes, so you have manifested something very magically. So this is what I have said is in these 5 cards. Also we'll see what was in the bottom of the deck. The strength card. Here I feel it is telling that maybe some of you who has gone through difficult, usually all the signs have gone through certain heartbreaks in recent past, and in some cases with this card it shows that you need to use your mind over your heart. So think logically. Do not just be sure. It's like restricting your physical power and using your mind. It is, for most of the cases in love, you need to be thinking logical and not just feel going just because there is a love situation. You need to be with the strength card. You need the strength of mind, and then the things will move forward and in a nice way. So this is what I have, Sagis, for you. It's just that do not take any haste or impulsive decision till Mercury is in retrograde. That is till 13th July. And then, once it moves forward, things will be much clearer. The picture is going to be much clearer. And the real situation might come out for all of us. Don't start a new relationship. Usually avoid. I mean, it's not that something which we could control, but avoid a new relationship during this retrograde. If at all it happens, go slow in that till the retrograde gets over. So thank you. This is it. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in August 2020 love readings. Thank you.